It's raining and shit. How this get here?
Yeah.
That's some cool shit.
𝗙𝗪𝗹𝗹
whenever.
My good guy, 𝗙𝗪𝗹𝗹.
Stuck in good dough, man. I done got my rolls up. Everybody know us. Boy, you can't look bro us. I can't love a hoe. Mars finna fold up. Lucky up and roll. 𝗙𝗪𝗹𝗹.
You need people like me.
Started my day off right. Finna get dressed and get busy. Alright, so look, fit of the day, man. I went turtleneck. All black turtleneck. With these pants. Still gotta put on some shoes. It's raining and shit. We got hungry, so we went to this pizza place. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so right now we at the pizzeria. They was playing copyrighted music. I had to tune it out.
Sister.
How this get here? Bro, eat pizza.
It's not hot, baby.
Oh, real hot. How the fuck?
Okay.
You like the pizza? What you think about the pizza? It's good. What about you, baby? Shit, this one fall.
Hit it right here. Yeah. Hit it right here. Oh, girl, grab it. Girl.
After that, we got some dessert. We went to the ice cream place. They ain't here tweaking.
Daddy. You're just trying to take the parts for yourself.
Stop, man.
Yeah, where are you trying to leave to?
You like that, man? Doodle, that's good?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go with her.
No.
What you think?
I think that's good.
Next day, we went to the Funko Pop store. Go get my son and my daughter some Funko Pops. 𝗁𝗏 looking for a specific one. Let me see what you got. 𝗂𝗽𝗱 Jones. What you get, baby? What you get? Come here.
So daddy.
Let me see.
So daddy.
Oh, show me.
So daddy.
Come here, let me see. Let me see your 𝗀𝗀𝗄𝗃. That's some cool shit. He found this 𝗀𝗀𝗄𝗃 Jones. And she got a Minnie Mouse. Let me see yours. But alright, I'll catch y'all in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Oh shit. Alright, come on, we gotta get from over here to these.
One Glock, two Glock, up the bitches park. One box, two box.
Follow my brand on IG at @beamscollection.us. The link go be in the description. We got hats, we got full zips, we got jogger pants, and we got all type of shit coming soon. So y'all tap in, y'all come get these bitches while they still here. And if you miss a drop, go follow the IG.
Ain't no nigga taking none. Gotta keep your head up in this shit, can't go out dummy.
got to, bro.
Hey, Tazo!
What's up?
35